Miraculous gardening. Preparing your garden for winter. Miracle tip number 1. Say goodbye to spent plants. Pull out old veggie plants and annual flowers, or cut them off at ground level so the decomposing roots will feed the soil. You can cut back perennial flowers too. Miracle tip number 2. Rake and compost. Rake up fallen leaves, dead plants, and other debris and toss it all on the compost pile, or use it to start a new one. But if you pick up any diseased plants, toss them in the trash instead. Miracle tip number 3. Mulch it up. Spread mulch around trees, shrubs, and other plants left in the garden, but don't pile it up against the plants. Not only will this give roots a bit of insulation during cold months, but it's also a great way to help keep weeds from popping up in the spring. They can't grow if the sunlight can't reach them. Learn more about miraculous gardening at miraclegrow.com.